In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a domain on Squarespace. If you're ready to secure an online presence with a personalized domain name, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step to make the process as smooth and straightforward as possible, ensuring you have full control over your new digital identity. First, you'll need to open the Squarespace website. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your home page. Take a look at your screen. At the bottom left corner, you'll notice a menu. That's where you'll find the Settings option. Click on it, and this will open up a variety of choices related to managing your Squarespace account. Among these options, look for the section labeled Domains and Email. Click on that, and it will take you to another page specifically for domain management. Once there, you'll want to proceed by selecting Domain. It's here that you'll start your journey towards securing your unique web address. Now, it's time to click on Get a Domain. This is where the magic begins. You'll have the opportunity to search for the specific domain you'd like to register. Go ahead and type in the name you're interested in, then hit Search. This will generate a list of suggested domain names along with different label options. Take your time to review these suggestions. Once you find the domain that best fits your vision, click on it to select it. With your domain choice made, the next step is to click on Checkout. This will bring you to a page where you can review the registration terms in detail. It's important to understand these terms for a smooth registration process. If everything looks good, click Save and Continue. This will update your registration and promptly display an order summary. In this order summary, you may need to enter additional information required for account verification and domain registration. Follow the on-screen prompts to ensure that all necessary data is filled out correctly. After entering all the required details, click on Save and Continue once more. The final part of this process involves following the remaining prompts on your screen. These steps will lead you to successfully purchase your domain. Once completed, you will officially own your domain name, giving you a unique and professional address on the internet. There you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to register a domain on Squarespace. Remember, securing a domain is a crucial step in establishing an online presence, and with Squarespace, it's simpler than ever. Thanks for watching, and happy domain hunting.